guys, it is November 7th, 2025. Listen here, I got a call from a guy who's got a gas furnace, and he said the igniter's just clicking away and nothing's happening. So it sounds to me maybe he's got a bad board or a bad gas valve there. I'm gonna go over there and check voltage, see where you're losing the voltage or if you're getting voltage. Make sure the igniter's, you know, clean. And he said it's an older furnace. So we'll go by there and see if we can figure out why it's not working. See if I can get them going. I got quite a few parts in the truck. We'll see. Hopefully I got what I need in the truck to get them fixed. It's starting to get cold out. It was like, I think it was like 29 last night. It's pretty cold, so. Getting cold at night. We're in heating season now, so we're in the midst of it. You might as well go ahead and turn it up. And okay. We'll cycle it. This fucker. Got this controller. It's an old fucker. It says it sounds like it's sparking. Alright, put it on now. Could be the burners are just really dirty too. I like to take it apart.
Now this time,
yeah, she fired up good that
right
time.
Away, right? Yep.
Yeah. Well, whatever it is, it's not acting up now.
No.
I mean, it could be this gas valve, it could be this controller having issues. Is it your thermostat? Have you changed the batteries in the thermostat?
It's just one of those mercury ones, those old dial ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, it started right up this time for sure.
There's a rollout switch on the top there. Sometimes that's the problem. But usually you have to reset them fuckers. Yeah, she's getting pretty hot. It could be that rollout switch. It's getting really hot. Sometimes you get birds that come in here and die inside the chimney.
That's a possibility for sure in this neighborhood.
While I'm here, I might as well clean these burners while I'm here.
You want me to set it? Oh,
no, I got it off here. Not easy. Now, where'd you get my number?
Online. Yep, just went online, plumbing and heating. You were on Yelp.
Fucking Yelp. They're calling me again and they want money out of me.
Really?
Yeah, Yelp. And then they'll call me like every day for a year. And I finally get a hold of the lady and lose my shit with her. Tell her I'm not interested in paying them, right? And then they only post the bad reviews. They won't post any good reviews unless I pay them.
That's funny.
Yeah, no, it's true.
That's the world we're living in.
Yeah, they want money. And they've got a new lady now. She's calling me. She's been calling me every day from New York. I'm gonna block her ass. Yelp. Yeah. They want money. They want me to pay them so that they could release my good reviews.
Wow.
They're there. The reviews are there, but then she says, "Oh, that we don't think that they're real," or some bullshit. She's telling me.
Okay.
Crazy.
Everybody wants to make a buck.
Yelp. The last one, I told her she could lick my balls. She didn't think that was too funny. Yeah. saleswoman.
Oh boy. Yeah, it's an old piece of garbage, huh?
Well, I mean, it is old.
I've been in this house for 14 years. It was here when I got here.
Yeah,
It was
this
already
thing
old
is
there.
vintage.
Yeah.
Vintage 80s type of thing. I don't know if I can even get this thing the hell out of here. I gotta get it so I can clean them burners. At least something with them. Let's see what they look like.
When I first bought the house,
Yelp.
the gas company had some kind of contract with
Yeah, they ain't looking crazy bad, but I mean, I give them all brushing while I'm here.
Alright.
It's not something you want to spend a lot of money on, put it that way.
Yeah.
If you know what I'm saying.
Those parts that you were talking about, are we talking big bucks?
Well, I mean, right now, I don't even know what it is. It's not acting up right now, so you're kind of guessing at it. Right?
Yes. You want me to hold that sucker up or out of the way? No.
Kind of hot.
That's why I turned the heat off when I was waiting.
Kind of hot. It's like my new girlfriend. She's kind of hot.
You know what I say about girls nowadays? It's awesome until it isn't. That's my new,
It's awesome until it isn't.
it's
Yeah.
awesome until it isn't. It took me 60 years to figure that out. 60 painful years. A lot of money.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of money from my point of view. Probably for someone else it's not a lot of money,
I mean, I could give you a price on an upgrade. You're gonna need to upgrade it eventually.
but yeah. That'd be,
That's probably not a bad idea, you know?
yeah. Then I'd be all set probably for the duration of, probably they last a long time, so this one's probably saying 80s, it's 40 years old.
Yeah, you'll get 25 years out of them. I mean, this thing's at its limit. You're gonna start putting good money into bad into it. And
Yeah, that'd be cool. Give me a price on it. That way there, get some peace of mind.
yeah, we get the burners clean. We'll try firing it up again once I get this back down in there. Like I said, it could be the gas valve. It could be.
Is it possible that like sediment gets into the valves and maybe makes them stick or anything like that? Like they don't.
Nah, it's just old. Old relays and stuff in the valves, and sometimes they work, sometimes they don't.
Gotcha.
They're like little, like on a circuit board on a computer. You got these little tiny relays, right?
Yeah.
The same shit as this.
Yeah, the contacts wear off.
Contacts, and yeah, they get crusty and.
Oh Christ, we're coming up on 26. Actually, I've been in this house for 15 years. Jeez, time flies.
And you don't think it's definitely clicking down here, right?
Yeah.
We'll try it again. We'll turn it on.
Yeah, that sound.
I mean, do you change the air filter?
I do.
Okay.
Actually, it's probably due now, but yeah, I do. Next time it shuts off, I'll change it. I'll take a look at it. But I change it probably once a month. Started right up that time.
Well, no, this has got an old fan cycle switch. That's what's running right now with the fan cycle switch. The old fan cycle switch. Okay, see what I got here. She's a big unit, man.
I'll tell you one thing.
It's only a little house.
I was just going to say, when you're in the house, it really blasts out of those vents. Well, I'll tell you that.
20 by 20 by 1. What the hell is this thing?
That was a humidifier that I took out because they had
Oh, okay.
They had it feeding in. Where the hell was it? They had it go right there.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody must be
Alright,
getting
so
a dry nose.
We're fine. We're fine with the filter rack. I just gotta have the little 17-inch wide unit will be fine in here. Little 75,000. It's only a small house. We go right into the chimney. She fired up.
right away that time too.
Well, I'm saying it could be any one of these devices here, you know?
Yeah.
And,
How long does the switch out take? Is it a day-long process?
one day, yeah, one day in and out. I'll get you a price on a change out.
Okay.
What do you got, a little rant? What, a little, cologne? What kind of, how many square feet in the house?
I think it's 1,000 upstairs.
It's 1,000 square feet?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little tiny house.
Two bedroom.
A little 75,000 is all you need here. It'll blow you right out of here. I'll get something that vents into the chimney,
Yeah.
just like this, 80 plus. That would be the way to go. We got 3/4 here. That would be the best thing to do, is upgrade to a new furnace. Because you're gonna start, you know, spending money on, say it's a gas valve or a controller. You're kind of throwing money into an old piece of shit, you know?
Yeah, like an old car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We cleaned the burners. It's an old gas furnace, needs upgrading. I will call you back on a replacement price of this.
Okay. When it started working after I called you, I was like, son of a bitch.
Yeah, if it does go out again, just shut the power off and turn it back on. But
Kind of remind me of those old gas heaters in the tenement.
wow, 150,000. The thing is way oversized for this house. Yeah, we're gonna go with a little 75. Blow you out of this flipping house. It's only a little tiny house. Way oversized. You can see just by the ductwork how it's 20 inches wide. Even one with a little 100,000 in here. This thing is a flipping monster. 24 inches wide.
You know, it's funny, I don't know anything about this stuff, but I was thinking it was kind of big for this house, honestly. When I first
Yeah,
found
20
out,
inch
I was
20 inch wide ductwork, so. I can go up to 56, which is really high.
I knew this day would come, that I would, since the house, it was already old when I bought the house.
Wow.
I'm actually amazed that it's run this long.
She's definitely a noisy.
You should hear it in the